Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So nice bearish day for us. Puts stayed over calls the entire day. We had some weak convergence points there. We saw some bounces, but every time it popped back in, we got more downside. So jumping into that, we also obviously had a red DEX after that downside day. Jumping into our customer sentiment and our whale targets. Whales had dipped a little bit down into the 620 area earlier, and now they're back into the 625 to 640 range. We've not quite got that 625 today, and customers did chill off a little bit on that short the pop mode. Could have been some profit taking. We'll see. Jumping into our dark pool levels. Print at 632.9, mark it on your charts as an important point of price contention. And moving along, our ag is still around the same price. Price danced around this area the entire day. A little bit different than the chart that I send out on X because I use the bot ping, not this. Roughly the same thing though. I just like the bot ping better. Jumping into our gamma. Well, 625 is still the biggest pull on the board. We didn't quite hit that. We're sitting right around where we closed, to be honest. Not too far away. SPY is pretty flat in the PM session at about 627.60. So we're just below this 629 mark and kind of sitting around these two levels right here on the ag. Once again, thin from 629 down to 617 and thin on the ag from 629 up until a small stop there at 641. Let's jump into tomorrow's data and see what that looks like for us as well. So tomorrow, actually not too bad of a look. Can't break 632. Room down to 625. The actual biggest pull for tomorrow is up and to the right. So if we get a big dip down to 625 and hold, then we have some room to the upside. Make sure you pay attention to flow, of course, because if we're getting a bunch of bullish flow or losing convergence on bearish flow on a downside move, we could see a retrace, and the same vice versa if we end up hitting up to 632 and then start to lose convergence and start to see bearish flow. We've got some room down there. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.